Hey guys, it's me William, and welcome to my new channel Master Productions. And today I'll be showing you three minifigures that I created for Spider-Man. First one is this guy. I don't know whose name is it, but if you know, leave me in the comment section below. And this is the boss when Peter Parker wants to just get the Spider-Man magazine when he takes pictures. So I used the hair. It's actually like a Logan hair, and a Star Wars head with eyes and mustache, and then these body parts. Because I know I actually painted the tie black because I think black is sweet. So that's my first one. And I'll be showing you Dr. Connors. So I made this by myself. So I had this J head from the Juggle, this black head with no suit on. And then I made a prison suit with this, and then just like purple pants. And I think it looks pretty sweet. And the last one is Spider-Man's rip suit. When Venom attacks him, his mask gets off. So this is actually let's take the head off. No. So this is actually this is actually the Amazing Spider-Man or Ultimate Spider-Man suit. So I just paint this red, and I paint this red because it looks like orange, and I don't want to like get the orange one. Then I painted the boots. I didn't even put the skin on his legs or her body parts because it was so hard I couldn't try, but I'll try later. So how I made the mask, I make this out of stickers. Make his eyes, print the Hawkeye eye and the face, showing his teeth, and I think it looks pretty sweet. So that was my Spider-Man showcase, another showcase video. If you want me to see some more Spider-Man or some Marvel Studios, make sure you comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.